how to stop syncing do not disturb across other devices. So if you have the same Apple account or Apple ID account on all your Apple products like smartwatch, iPhone, iPad, Apple Mac, and the rest of them, and you want to stop do not disturb from affecting all these devices at once, then this video is going to walk you through how you can do this step by step. So if at the end of this you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to stop syncing do not disturb across other devices on your iPhone or iPad, all you just need to do is go ahead and open the settings app on your phone. Now, once you open the settings app, on the settings page, just scroll down and then locate focus. Once you find focus, go ahead and click on it. Then, if share across devices is enabled like this, go ahead and disable this. Focus is shared across your devices, and turning one on for this device, we turn it on for all of them. So if you have the same Apple ID account or iCloud account logged in on all your Apple devices and you turned on share across devices, this is going to affect focus mode on all other devices you have that have the same iCloud account. So to disable this or stop syncing do not disturb across all your devices, just go ahead and turn this off. And then once that is turned off, focus mode is going to be only available on the device where it is turned on. So if you want to enable focus mode on all other devices you have to do this on each of the devices. So that is basically how to stop syncing do not disturb across other devices. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.